In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Pinterest account permanently. So once you've loaded up the Pinterest app, what you want to do is tap on the icon there at the bottom right hand corner with your little profile picture and where it says saved. Go ahead and tap on that, and then that's going to take you to where you see all of your pins and everything you've pinned on all your boards and things like that. Now on an Android device, you can see that icon at the top right hand corner of the page. Go ahead and tap on that. That's basically going to take you to your settings, and then from the settings page you just want to tap on account settings, and it's going to give you all the information regarding your account. What you want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom of this page, and then you have two options there: deactivate your account and close account. Now if you just want to hide your pins and profile, you can deactivate it, but if you want to get rid of your Pinterest account permanently, you have to tap on close account. So I'm going to tap on close account, and it says closing your account means you won't be able to get your pins or boards back. All your Pinterest account data will be deleted. And then basically what they're going to do is they're going to send you an email once you tap on continue and actually go through with the process. They're going to send you a verification email confirming that you want to go ahead and delete your Pinterest account permanently. And then after 14 days, it will be permanently deleted. If for any reason you decide you want to have your account back within those 14 days, all you need to do is log in. They'll send you another email to verify that again, and then you can get your account back. I'm not going to go ahead and delete my account because I actually use it, but that would be the process of how you would actually do it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Pinterest tutorials. Take care.